Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now we'll look at the headlines. ESG's plan of taking over the management of IFFI crashes down. ESG will now only look after logistics and infrastructure of IFFI. IFFI Secretariat to look after all IFFI programs. PWD Minister claims support of 16 MLAs to become CM anytime, says don't need any Vishwajit Rane to elevate his political position. If High Command tells, Churchill is ready for the top post. NCP admits that candidates from other parties approached them for ticket, but party has not decided anything on this issue. NCP says no import of candidates henceforth. Sopde opens his office in Mandre and advocate Ramakant Khalap at Morje on Saturday. Sopde receives better response. Vishwajit Babu join hands with Sopde. And Sporting Club de Goa and Don Bosco join hands for youth football development. One day under 12 football festival to be held on Children's Day in Panji. And now the news in detail. This could be a major setback for the Entertainment Society of Goa. As per the new setup, Entertainment Society of Goa's work has been made limited to providing logistics and infrastructure during IFFI. ESG was hoping to take over management of the IFFI. Directorate of Film Festivals has also been de-linked from IFFI in this new arrangement. Newly constituted IFFI Secretariat will look after the organizational aspects of IFFI.
Entertainment Society of Goa was established by Goa government in 2004. It was established as the nodal agency to organize IFFI. It was told to frame an entertainment policy to convert Goa into a world-class entertainment destination. But later, ESG envisaged plans to control content management of IFFI. They even hired professionals to march in this direction. But now, their role is restricted to infrastructure and organizing of short film competition during the festival. But Director of IFFI, Shankar Mohan, says otherwise.
We are providing the content while ESG will be providing the infrastructure. They are handling the short film corner and anything to do with short films and the competition section. Nobody's role has been, my role has not been limited on the infrastructure. See, do you say that the role of right hand is limited by the left hand? Or will you say the left hand is limited by the right hand? No, they are complementary to each other. They complement each other. So nobody's role is taken away in any form. Red carpet is being handled jointly. Jointly it will be done. A small committee will be formed together and they will be working on that.
The committee of the filmmakers set up by the union government has recommended many changes. One of the recommendations was to de-link Directorate of Film Festival from IFFI. As per the recommendations, IFFI Secretariat has been formed and IFFI could come under a separate society of agency from next year.
And it is truly a visionary decision that has been taken to de-link the festival from DFF and bring it independently under a separate umbrella. It will be the prime focus of that special purpose vehicle will be to organize IFFI round the year.
So you are now director of IFFI?
Yes.
You are now director
yes,
of IFFI?
please.
To make IFFI more people-friendly, IFFI Directorate has decided to have public screening at Kampal Ground. United States of America is the country of focus during IFFI. However, there is confusion whether to call Shah Rukh Khan for this year's IFFI inaugural. Shankar Mohan did not confirm about Shah Rukh Khan's presence during the inaugural. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has said that he doesn't need any Vishwajit Rane to strategize his political positioning. He has claimed that he has a letter of support from 16 legislators to become the CM. Churchill has said that he is with Digambar Kamath, but he is ready to become the CM if High Command tells him to.
The PWD Minister claimed that he has support of 16 legislators to become CM at any given point of time. Churchill says, I don't need any Vishwajit to elevate my political position.
मागतरी सीएम जावपा जाय तूं एक म्हज्या आनी 2 जाणां सुन जावपा जालें 16 सिग्नेचर आहाय मुगडे आमदाराचे मन दाखयलें न्हय म्हाका सीएम जावपा जाल्यार म्हाका विश्वाजितान म्हाका कोणेंय डिप्युटी सीएम करपा नाका हांव आज पासून सीएमाचेर बरो आशिल्लो पूण फाल्यां तरी सीएमाचें कितें प्रॉब्लेम चलता हायकमांड तरी सांगता सीएमाक बाबा तूं देव I have no any options.
All Goa Mining Machinery Owners Association met Churchill Alema with a grievance. They have demanded that son of the soil should be given first preference while hiring mining machinery at various mining plants in Goa. Churchill wants government to intervene in the matter.
I request करता आमचे हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर येयल्या प्रमाणे शाह रिपोर्ट येयल्या प्रमाणे सुप्रीम कोर्टान नोटीस धाडल्या प्रमाणे इतली मायन बंद जाल्या आमची मशिनां तूं तिंगाल आनी रिक्वेस्ट कर जे तुमी गरजेक लागून भायली मशीन हाडली ताका तेंगेले गांवांत वचपाक आनी आमकां हें बिजनस आनी म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना हांवें तेंगे पळयले त्या प्रमाणे हांवें तेंगेले जे तेमी एक अपील दिल्ल्या प्रमाणे आशिल्ल्या प्रमाणे आय थिंक दे आर रायट बिकॉज द मायनींग पळय ओर काडटा तो आमचे गोंयचे मातयेचेर काडटा सो आमचो एक स्लोगन आसता फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स फॉर द सन ऑफ सॉयल नेक्स्ट प्रेसाचेर आमी येतले वॉट इज द एक्शन आमी तुमकां सांगतले.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
NCP for the first time has admitted that candidates from other parties have approached them for tickets to contest the forthcoming assembly elections, but they have not decided whether to give tickets to such candidates. However, NCP has clarified that they will not exchange candidates with Congress as they had done during 2009 Parliament poll. NCP feels that having 6 seats alliance with Congress is their legitimate right, but now they wish to contest 12 seats as they claim the party has grown in Goa. Sources say that some aspirants from Congress have approached the NCP for assembly tickets. NCP's Goa desk in charge Bharti Chauhan has admitted that there have been talks about candidates coming from other parties, but nothing has been decided yet. In 2009, Desh Prabhu was imported into NCP from the Congress and he had contested Lok Sabha polls. NCP says they don't plan any such exchange of candidates in this election.
Is it fact that your party wanted to hire some of the candidates from the other parties, that is from the Congress party? Right from the Banauli, the Kepe, the Bicholi, Mandre?
We cannot say exactly that because that is not the decision yet.
Yeah.
That is not the decision yet.
But some talks are going on.
Talks always go on.
Well, last time we saw a unique experiment in the Lok Sabha election where a candidate was reported from the Congress. Do you see this kind of formula?
No, not at all.
NCP expects their alliance with Congress to get finalized by mid-December. They are ready to contest all 40 constituencies if the alliance talks fail. When asked about midnight session proposed by the Congress, NCP has left the decision to the Speaker. State NCP President says no outsider can be allowed to address the session until Speaker allows it.
पण पयली पळोवंक जाय ते हावजान ते संबोधीत करूंक मेळटा जाल्यार हावज दिल्यार इट वॉज रूल इट इज नॉट दॅट आउटसायडर विल बी अलाउड टू एंटर इनसाइड एंड गिव द स्पीच unless speaker allows. I don't know that. This is what is the rule I am telling you. Rules of the house will not permit any outsider to come inside and talk.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.